Hello, and welcome back to Osborne Insider, where you can get the latest information about our products, installation tips, and other news. Did you know that we can create a table base kit that is customized to your specific build? All you have to do is select the table leg that you would like to use in your next project and follow the steps in our custom table base kit builder to have a full kit created just for you. Our table base kit builder is available on our website by selecting the Add to Table Base Kit button on one of our table leg pages or by selecting it under the Customization tab. We offer 4-sided and 3-sided skirt kits in a variety of wood species. We also have various decorative skirt profiles available, including beaded and round over. Next, you will need to enter in your tabletop dimensions. Please note that the tabletop is not included in this kit, although we do sell tabletops separately if you are interested. Once all of the dimensions are entered, you can add your custom kit to your cart, which will include the table legs you choose in a set of 4. Assembling the table base kits is easier than ever. All necessary hardware is included, and the apron boards have pocket holes available for attachment. Thank you for joining me for this Osborne Insider. If you would like to stay updated with our newest content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.